So we've got some runs. I'll just turn the heat lamps off, see if we can see them better. Got some runs off there. I got too close to it because, well, I didn't have much room when I was painting the front of this, and it's a massive job that I was doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to deal with this now and try and get these runs out. So I've got some filler mixed up here. Oh my God, what's he doing? You're thinking, what's he doing? So I'm just gonna go around the front of there with that filler, like that. And I've got a bit of a run there. Go over there like that. That off there, off there. Try and take away the edges. We don't want this on the bottom. We don't want it on the edge, even though we've got a load of thick lacquer on that edge. So we've got some filler over them runs. I'm going to put the heat lamps back on. We'll let that filler go off and then I'll attempt to flat those runs out. So that's now dry and I'm going to try and knock the top off it. So I've just got a 240 here. We'll start with that. Get the thick off. You see it's cutting through there. You see, it's taking the top off that run. So I'm on to 800 wet flat now. I'm just going to keep going, taking this down. So I've been going at it with 800, just 800 on a block, and you can see we're starting to get there now. I'm going to go a little bit more of it and then I'm going to change grades. So I'm going to jump onto a 2000 grade now and go at it a bit more. I think I'm about ready to give that a polish now.